All right, guys, that was super painless. This Hot Rods kit comes with the water pump bearing, the inner seal, the outer seal, and the water pump housing gasket, which is everything you would need. My outer seal was what was leaking, and I know that because it was coming out of the peephole and not getting mixed in with the oil. So I only replaced the outer seal. That way I didn't have to mess with taking any of the inner clutch cover or anything off right now. There's just no reason to replace that if there's not an issue with it. That's an extra hour of work at least. So got the outer one replaced, popped it out, popped it back in, filled it up with water first to make sure there wasn't going to be any leaks, and didn't drip a drop. Started up, didn't drip at all. So now I've drained the water back out, and I'm going to go ahead and put actual coolant in it and then do an oil change. And I think after the oil change and check some tire pressures, this thing will be ready to test out. I'm going to take it out on the trails the next somewhat dry day we get and just see how it feels, see how it runs, make sure it doesn't grenade. Yeah, so, and if it makes it through a couple test rides, then we'll start doing some other stuff. I mean, those fork seals, that pains me to even look at, so we're definitely going to do those. We're going to do plastics. We're going to do a seat cover. Not too much, but we're at least going to make it look respectable. A battery, so maybe we can utilize the electric start a little bit on it. But yeah, so far, so good.